In this video, I'm going to show you how to transpose audio in Studio One. Now, first, you want to select the audio you want to transpose. So I'm going to select this audio clip over here, and I'm actually going to play it for you so you can hear what it sounds now. And as you can see, same way. There it goes, just me talking inside the tutorial, just some random sample. Then what you want to do when you click on it is click on this button here at the bottom left, which is, of course, going to open the inspector, or you could go and press F4 on your keyboard, and it's going to open the side panel over here on the left. From here, you can see a track, and then here it says transpose. This is where, of course, when you locate the field, you can go and type in your desired semitone value. So, for example, if you want to go up an octave, you can go and type in 12, for example. And if I now click out and play this for you, you will hear the difference right now. So if I play it,
and as you can see, same way as
there we go. As you can see, I've been severely changed in pitch. And of course, for example, if you want to go down like 2 half steps, you could go and do something like -2. And if I now go and play it again,
bottom, and as you can see,
my voice is much deeper. And yeah, that's essentially it. When you've done this, you can also use this tune field over here, just below it, to kind of fine-tune adjustments. In a sense, you could do from -100 to 100. And that's essentially all you have to do to transpose your audio in Studio One. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.